Hey guys, it's Bill from Linden, Tennessee. It's so hot. Been sitting in the house all day. Wonderful air conditioning. How did we ever live without air conditioning? I'm pretty sure we did because I'm standing here. So at some point, some of my relatives didn't have it, but man, I'm glad I do. Anyway, I couldn't stand anymore. So I went outside and finished welding up my, finished welding those up for it. So it's got some rigidity. Some people were suggesting that I should have put it like a plate underneath here, underneath this tube, kind of like what they did here on the factory. But I don't know. I think this is going to be okay. First of all, I'm not really going to use this mower very much, maybe 4 or 5 times a season. And also, this is 1.5 inches wide and it's 3 inches tall. I think there's a lot of connection there, and it's welded here on the sides, both sides. And then I'm probably going to do like a gusset right here. I think it's going to be fine. These ones, the factory ones, did that because they were just using little bitty, little tabs. So they wanted to spread that load out, and that's only about, that's less than 3 inches right there. So I think it's going to be fine. And if it's not, if it breaks a weld, then I'll fix it. But after doing that, I wanted to see what else we could do with this thing. So I came through here, and this is sort of my untamed wilderness, and I thought I'd give this a shot and see what happens. And it worked really, really good. And then I hit a stump. I didn't know there was a stump here, but I hit that stump, and boy, it did a number to it now. It knocked it out of the ground. It shot dust, dirt and dust and everything everywhere. It was pretty impressive. So I backed up off of that and tried again at a different angle, and man, this thing works really, really good in deep underbrush. You can kind of see this. I mean, it makes just a wonderful little walking path. It mulches all the grass, mulches all the grass, does a really, really great job. So, heck yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. What I'm going to do next, I think, I want to try and get another video, do a live shot of this. This is, well, there's a tree in there. Boy, I just about missed that tree. I'm glad I didn't try that. I'm going to try and get a live video shot of this. So, stand by. Yeah, so you can see this just cuts through some stuff. Let's do a little live video. All of this material is 3-4 feet. Oh, sorry, all this stuff is at least 3 feet tall. The heaviest brush is probably 2 feet tall. It's higher than my knees. The problem is I don't really know if there's any trees in here or anything tall that I don't want to hit, but I guess you're going to know as soon as I know. It is very nerve-wracking. Do a little left turn here. This just works really great. Turn her off. Let's see what we've done. It does vibrate some, but it's not too bad. Someone had asked if it has a problem like building up stuff on the sides, and yeah, there's a little bit of buildup there on the axle on the sides there. So I'm not really sure if there's anything I can do about that. Maybe I can make a little guard or something. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's not that big a deal. Just each time I do this, come in here and clean it off. One thing that's kind of fun, or not, is probably when I hit that stump, I chucked the living daylights out of that dude. But it looks like that's the only one that took any real severe damage, and I've got about 6 extra blades, so that's okay. If we walk back here, you can see what it did. I mean, this is all tall. I'm just really impressed with this. The cool thing about this, probably better than the front mounted, my brush cutter, is that it cuts a swath that's as wide as the tractor. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what else to say about it, but I'm pretty impressed with this. So still got some work to do, and I'm going to go put this back in the garage and call this weekend a success. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Well, I thought I was done. So as I was driving back to take this into the shop, this happened. And what happened here is all I had was just a little 5/16 bolt, and that sucker just snapped right in half. So I'll need to do a little bit of work to that part right there to make that beefier. This is quite a lot of weight, especially when it goes up a little hill like this. So yeah, anyway, all right, that's it for sure this time. Thanks for watching.